Hello everyone. Today I am going to start one series for Ugnx Basics to Advanced. So this is the first video of my series. Today we are going to learn how to create part and how to create a sketch and extrude in it. So let's begin. Whenever you open Ugnx window, this kind of window will appear in front of you. There are some different options. Here is the history. If you have recently opened part, that can show be here. Here in the home tab there is an option as new, open recent parts, assembly or load options and all. We will go into all through by one. So let's take a how to create part one first. Just click on new. There will be some window will appear. This kind of window will appear. There is shown as a unit as a millimeters. Keep it millimeter only. There is one model option, model in modeling. In the new file name you have to give the name to your file, such as I am giving you sample one, and you have to give the folder path whenever you have to save that file. I am going in, I have created already one folder, in that I am saving that file. Let hit OK and OK. Later on there is one datum coordinate system is there. I suggest you to add planes. There is one option datum plane, or some shortcut. You also assign shortcut to your command keys also, that we discuss on later upcoming videos. So I'm just adding three planes, such as zy plane, sorry, zx plane, then zy plane, then yx plane. In a home tab we are currently only focusing on a home tab. There is a sketch option is there. Go on sketch option. Whenever you select a hit on sketch option, it already select one plane. If you have to select other plane, you can select other planes also. Otherwise that plane selected is okay, then hit OK, and then you will go into the sketch environment. These all are sketch commands, such as polyline, profile, lines, curves, arcs, circles. Offset options are there. Hexagon is there. Ellipse is there. I am just taking one rectangle right now. When I click on rectangle, it giving me the three options to draw a rectangle. First option is by 2 points, second option by 3 points, and third option from center to length and width. So I am taking the center. I am clicking on some center. Then it is asking me to put width and height. I am taking width as a 200, then height as a 200. Angle is 0. Okay. Press enter and you will have the rectangle. Then just finish the sketch. After that, if you have to make a cube, right now it's having the side of 200, so I have to extrude up to the 200 mm, so it will become a cube. So there one extrude command is there. It's just to add a third dimension to your sketch. I am clicking on extrude. This kind of window will appear. There are certain options, we will go into that one by one. There is selection of curve. What you have to extrude, you have to select the curve. You can either click on the curve also, either click on the sketch also. If you have to select all the curve which are inside your sketch, you can directly click on sketch. Or elsewise, in sketch there are multiple curves, you have to only select the required curves, then don't click on sketch, then click on curves uh, separately. So I have all the curves in one sketch and I have to select that, so I directly selected that. I will put the distance as 200 mm. You can drag it also, or you can put it also, either way you want. I am putting 200 mm. Here is the vector, specify vector is there. If I change the direction of vector, the direction of extrude will get changed. There are certain boolean operations also there. Some unite, subtract is there, but right now it's not in the use, because we don't have any other body to do that operations with. So its input is okay, or none is also okay. Then hit OK. So you have your first part is created. You can change the color of it also. Just this is the part navigator, where this the model history is recorded. Whatever you are doing the operations, or your history are get recorded in the model tree. There are certain in the options are there also. Some layer system is there. This all things are we are going to cover in upcoming videos. So I will explain one by one. So right now this is okay. we created one cube. We will just change the its color, some medium aqua is there. Okay, just to save your part, you already defined the location where it is going to be saved. Just save, and hence our first part is get created. Stay connected to me. I will upload some other videos. In that I will cover the assembly of parts, the making of different parts, the surfaces also, how to create the assembly, how to give the clusters to them. I will add everything. Just stay connected.